Radio. Let's go.
Critical 1,000.
Alright, I was quickly just gonna do a hover test. Brand new build. See if I've done everything right. Now my dog's curious too. Even he wants to see what's up with this new flight controller. Yeah. Oh. Wow. Oh, wow. I can definitely feel like a difference already, man. Ooh, I must say, there's something about how it moves. Ooh, what the fuck, man? It's so like predictable. I don't know. This is fucking crazy, bro. Let's try that gap again. Yeah, boy. Over to this side over here. Ho, some of the scraggle almost got the better of us. Holy shit, bro, this is fucking crazy. Like, actually, what is going on right now? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, there goes my prop.
Right, new props. Let's go. Man, this is just so insane. I'm trying to like push for prop wash, man. Bro, like literally when my Ultra V1 when it was tuned, bro, it wasn't even this clean like the Ultra V2 default tune. Yeah, let's go. Bro, I'm like literally fucking mind blown, man. I'm just tossing it into any direction possible. It just keeps on pushing. I just can't get over how clean it is, man. Alright, let's pull him in for a landing. Battery is done.
So yeah, jeez, dude, I can't actually believe what I'm feeling over here. This is crazy, bro. It's durable, like we just saw. It flies fucking great, even on the shittiest bent props. Man, these props are in really bad shape. They're like nicked in the middle and all over. So yeah, I can definitely say this is one piece of art. KISS Ultra V2 flies amazing, and this is default tune, man. You know, as a new guy that doesn't understand how KISS tuning work and all that stuff, you just fucking take this flight controller, bro, throw it in your quad. There's some ESC settings you need to do. So you go your PWM low, 48 Hz, PWM high, 48 Hz, that will do in BL Heli Suite. And then obviously your motor timing on 23. And that's it, guys. You just throw this flight controller in and send it, bro. You're good to go. It's just amazing. I can't actually believe what I felt. It blows my mind. But anyways, guys, as always, like and subscribe. That'll help support my YouTube channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.